Hello guys, welcome back to the channel with another drawing tutorial. You are watching Fun Times Art and Animation, and today we're going to learn how to draw Mona Lisa using MS Paint. Today we're going to use a new method called geometric drawing. So without further delay, let's get started. This is the first episode of geometric drawing, and this drawing takes around 8 to 9 minutes. If you like my work, drop a like and share the video in your friend circle. If you are new here and interested in art and animation, you must subscribe my channel for more interesting informative art videos, because we deliver such interesting content daily basis. So what are you waiting for? Go hit the subscribe button and be a part of our journey, and it is absolutely free of cost. Now enjoy the complete video. See you at the end. So this is the final piece of art. If you like my work, do subscribe the channel and be a part of our journey. We provide such interesting art content on daily basis. So that's it for today. We will be right back with another interesting informative art videos. Till then, take care. See you soon.